Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert mathematical symbol in Google form. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google form and I'm going to insert mathematical symbol to this question. And if we want to insert mathematical symbol, usually we copy the symbol and then we paste it on the Google form. But as you can see guys, that it doesn't work, but don't worry, because we can still insert the mathematical symbol with picture. So you can take a screenshot of the mathematical symbol with sniping tool from your laptop or computer, and then you can choose the screenshot, and I'm going to click on this plus button, and I'm just going to take a screenshot of it. Okay, and I'm going to save it guys. I'm going to name it question. Okay, and I'm going to upload this screenshot to my Google form. We can click on this picture icon and then select browse, and I'm going to upload the screenshot of the math symbol. Okay, just wait for a moment. And as you can see that the mathematical symbol has been inserted to this Google form. Alright guys, and that's all the way to insert mathematical symbol in Google form. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.